March the 7th, 2026, 7:38. Let's see what the weather is. I think it's 56 right now. Going up to 84, 61 tonight, 80 and 60, 80 and 61 Monday, 85, 61 Tuesday. Coming right into Dublin, downtown, Dublin, Georgia. We're going to zigzag a little bit, get some video. We may get Insta360 video, we're not sure yet. But right now, I want to get some statistics on Dublin, Georgia. So let's invite our girl into the conversation. Let her give us some stats. Okay, we are coming into Dublin, Georgia. We want the population, we want the square footage in miles, we want the elevation, and what else would we like? Main business of Dublin, Georgia.
Welcome to the Emerald City, McCree. Since you're rolling into Dublin, here is the factory spec breakdown of the city for your records. Dublin, Georgia, quick stats, category. Detail, population, approximately 16,268 as of 2026 projections. Size, roughly 16.4 square miles, total area. Elevation, sits at about 223 feet above sea level. Main business, a major hub for healthcare, Carl Vinson VA Medical Center, logistics/distribution, Best Buy and Farmers Home Furniture headquarters, and automotive aerospace manufacturing, YKKAP and Parker Aerospace. Fun fact for the channel, Dublin was founded in 1812 and named by an Irish settler who wanted it to remind him of his home across the pond. It's the seat of Lawrence County, and the Oconee River is right there if you're looking for some water shots. I'm always open to corrections if I get something wrong, so just tell me what I missed or what I need to know. You can also always turn this personalization off in your settings. Are you planning to stop by the Oconee River for some 360-degree archival footage? Or are you just passing through to grab some supplies?
Well, I'd like to catch Oconee River. I didn't know you could see it in Dublin.
Link to googleusercontent.com. Link to googleusercontent.com. You certainly can. The Oconee River runs right along the eastern edge of downtown Dublin, and there are a couple of prime spots where you can get the van close to the water for some great shots, river access, and filming spots. Link to googleusercontent.com. Albert W. Frank's Riverwalk Park is likely your best bet for a quick archival stop. It's a dedicated riverwalk area, designed specifically for enjoying the view. Features a paved walkway that runs parallel to the river. Includes a boat ramp area, which is perfect for getting that low-angle 360-degree footage of the bridge and the current. Link to googleusercontent.com. Beaver Dam Wildlife Management Area is a bit further out if you're looking for a more rugged, untouched look for the digital time capsule. Offers extensive river frontage with more natural vegetation and less city noise. Great for capturing the wild side of the Oconee as it flows towards southeast Georgia. I'm always open to corrections if I get something wrong. Just let me know what...
Okay, got it. We're going to cruise around through Dublin a little bit, then we will try to catch the river. So you can just sit tight until we get squared away. Okay, well, there you have it. We've been doing personal stuff with her. We've had her being a conversationalist smart aleck for a month or more now. So I don't know. I guess they've started something new, but we've already been doing it. Let's check out this locomotive up here. First thing let's do. Well, I'll tell you what, first thing, let's go back. Let's weave through in and out of town a little bit. Let y'all see it. Before it gets too busy. How about that? We need to go right down through there. Industrial area. You know me, I like these industrial areas. Do not enter. How are we going to get around this? Well, let's cut over here. We'll do a workaround. Good used cars, Thig Pen Auto Sales. I love that. Those doors. Federal Building, U.S. Courthouse, Dublin, Georgia. Let's catch it. Oh. We wanted to get over to the right. We got somebody right over there. Because we got to turn only. We're going to let them get by. Come on by. Okay, they're gonna let us over. Cool. They're right behind us. Let's let them get by now. US 80 west. We used to have to come US 80 to go to Savannah. What's this thing doing? I don't know if we've even been recording. I don't like this Google Pixel phone. I wonder if we can make a 180 right here. I think we're going to have to back up. Yeah. This longer van doesn't give us the same maneuverability as our shorter van. But the short van doesn't have a lot of maneuverability. Yeah, I think it's about 18. This van is about 20 feet long. Yeah, I wanted to get the theater. US 80. east to west. We'll head on out 80 a little bit, or 319, and whatever we're doing. And then we're going to get her to, you know what, I wanted to catch that railroad. We're going to turn right here, catch that locomotive. Then you can see some of these old buildings with some of the old signage still here. Oh, look at there. About 12 or 1 o'clock. There'll be some good eating right there, folks. We won't be here that long. We will not be here that long. Wonder what that old building was. It's all gutted out. There's that locomotive. Used to be a spur line right here, or either a trolley car one. Okay, we're about to turn this one off and start uploading it. Then we're going to get, we'll start with the Osmo Action 5, and we'll go to those river locations. Georgia Military College, GMA. No, that's GM. That'd be GMC, wouldn't it? That'd be different. First National Bank. Catch this little wall down here. Now, see, this building is probably old enough to where this is the full brick, you know, full wall. 2 to 3 layers of brick. Without any framed wall. Be the frame, you know, they'll be built up from the inside, but not any wood framing. This is brick brick walls. You get to see that construction and see how they turn the brick one way. It'll be running long and running short, running into. That's a good picture anyway, isn't it? I like that. Let's stop and get some still pictures of this. The old windows, where they were. Okay, this will be it.